coverless mug that have been upgraded. You just lift it to release it. Let's see if it's leak proof. Twist it, lock it all the way, boom, nothing leak through. And then if you wanna just drink it like a regular mug, there you go. Check out this automatic wrench. How cool is that? Okay, you plug it in, then adjust it, then you can spin it or lock it the other way, make it pretty tight. That's pretty hilarious. And same thing with the big one. Bottle opener that collects your bottle caps, so that way you don't have to pick them up every time you drop them. You see, go like that, lift it, boom. And whenever you're ready to throw them away, just lift it up and shake them all out into the trash can. Another apple peeler. That's pretty satisfying. How about sun kettle? We go put cold water in, then we go level it with the sun like that. I think the correct way is set it this way, so sun is up sideways like that, so that way it catching all the light and it actually boiling in there. 190, 180. So yeah, we can definitely make some tea with that. There's a vintage SOG knife duo. There's a safety, and then you push it and fold it this way. If you want to fold it up, just press it like this and lock it in. And then there's a little screw that we'll have to open it up. Just unspin that all the way and the whole blade will come out. Then you can flip it over and kind of lock it in into there like that. And then spin this back up and boom, now you have non-serrated edge. And there's a safety. Boom. So you got it here, serrated and a regular blade in one. Very interesting knife. A seen on TV vintage coin sorter. So I guess put some coins into here, not too much, a little bit at a time, and it will spill through in there. And you see how it's starting not to layer it. Wow, that works really well. That's pretty cool. You see how it's spinning it? Definitely overspills it a little bit right here. So yeah, that's kind of cool, but still does not take a lot of coins like I showed you one before. But look at that, it falls through pretty easily. Here's a must-have letter opener. As you can see, it will slide in into anything and will open your letter, no problem. It can go to plastic pretty easily as well. Even if we fold it up and put it together, slice through super fast. It even can go through this first rate packaging pretty easily. Check this out. This right here, chainmail glove. You see how nicely it's adjustable and locks in. And that way, whenever you slicing and dicing potatoes and fruits and vegetables, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. As you can see, it is a nice chainmail. This side here, the coolest can opener. Line it up, lock it, and then just go in and out like that. Once you feel like it's not hard anymore, there's two little teeth. You're going to grab it and pull this off. This side here, my favorite fire starter. This side here will burn for 20 minutes. So very long duration time. So as you can see, it looks like a candle. And now the whole thing is burning. As you can see, a pretty long burn. It's been about 7 minutes. And look, if you fall it apart, break it up, it's probably burn a little faster, but you have bigger flame. But my favorite is this one. Tighten it up. So nice. How about this flat flashlight? 1, 2, 3, and flickering. So yeah, you can almost make it a lantern out of it by just folding it this way, so you have both ways. For example, just set it on a car and you have light to see the tire change, things like that. Got it here, pretty cool fire pit. Probably the most ventilated fire pit I've ever seen. And adjust it a little bit more, and you have a little hammock right here. No worries about suffocating it. It's lifted off the ground, plenty of oxygen coming through. Actually let it burn out all the way, and guess what? It's holding up really well. That's a very nice bonfire, as you can see, with a little bit amount of sticks, quite a big flame. Got it here, Platinum Lantern by Sota. Really nice brand. This is our gas regulator right here. Okay, then lift this up, and this up. And it's a reflectors over there. You see there's two little mirrors. So it's not a 360 lantern. Plug it in. Okay, then you turn it on. And right here it's adjust. If it doesn't turn on, you have to turn it this way and then it will work. So then we can lower it. Whoa, that's awesome. It is lights up things really well, you see? And then shut it off. So you take this apart, you plug it in like this and lock it. So and then you close this, and now it's not going to fall out and make a mess. When you want to pour some cereal into the bowl, just open that and you see there's a hole and it's easy to pour. You're done with it. Close it. Now nothing is gonna come out. And this is how it works. Just pull it up and lay down. And again, if you scoop your body down, don't have to worry about flipping over too much. Just be careful. And pull it up. Kind of sideways a little bit, halfway, you see? These two things slide in and out and lock in. Somehow let it go. So good. That was fast. Here probably the smallest, most powerful leaf blower ever made. You see how skinny that is? We want to fill it up with water, 3/4, and once it heats up, you can adjust it. And as you can see, it's charging at 7%. You see, plug it in, very nice. Or we plug it in our power bank again, and it's charging. So this is a really nice setup, pretty cool. You see, it's heating up in there. Also, the more heat you produce in this thing, the more electricity it will produce. So once you put it away, it goes like that somehow. I guess there you go. Boom. So we're gonna go with the hot water and let's put on top of it. I forgot my tea. Wow, it fits this mug really good. So now we'll just have to wait just a little bit. Okay, looks like it's working and it's even speeding up. Do you hear it? Well, it seems to be speed up even more. So if I leave it, set it down, you see, put my tea in there. I'll like brew your tea for a couple of minutes. You can put this very cool lid Stirling engine and kind of kill time till your tea gets brewed all the way. After about 3 to 5 minutes, depends on the tea.